This compact sauna cabin is designed to discreetly fit into almost any garden or courtyard and has a footprint of just 2 by 2 meters. Despite its compact size, this little Tardis comfortably accommodates 3 adults and thanks to its large windows feels spacious. The sauna cabin kit includes all necessary components such as fully insulated walls and ceiling, sauna benches, headrests, sauna floor, and a tempered glass sauna door. Our assembly team can install this sauna cabin within 1 to 2 days. When ordering this sauna cabin, you can choose to have it delivered with a factory-painted finish or as bare wood if you intend to apply your own wood preservative treatment to it. If you opt for a factory-painted finish, your freshly produced cabin will have each panel hand-sprayed with several layers of wood preservative and topcoat. This gives your sauna cabin a super slick high-quality paint finish and excellent protection against the elements. No further painting work is required after assembly. You can also purchase an electric sauna heater and stones with your sauna cabin. We will deliver the heater with the sauna cabin kit and ensure that the heater has the appropriate output for this sauna room. Please note that the sauna heater must be connected to the main electricity fuse board in your home by a certified electrician, which is not included in the assembly price or service we offer.